Hi, I'm Mark Cleghorn. Welcome to the Photographer Academy, and today we're talking about video light. As you'll know, as a production company, we're using kind of video and we need lighting to kind of light me, never mind the kind of client. But I also use video for kind of commercial photography and in some portraiture as well and things. We just thought we'd take a quick look at the GVM 560 light kit. In fact, that's the new kit that we just got in. It's a three-headed kit, really. UK, it's around about £300. Gives us 3 stands, 3 heads, and it's also kind of be linked with a kind of an app as well if you want to actually change it from the actual phone and things really. Just thought we'd do a little bit of a kind of reveal so you can see what it's about. The video maker allows you, the GVM allows it to either be battery run on each side. They don't come with the kit, of course, or kind of power. We're running it on mains power like we do in studio because for us, we're kind of filming for probably 6 to 8 hours in a day, and obviously we need to be able to move lighting around fast, and that's the great thing about portability. So the GVM 560, if we kind of come to the back, you've got a rocker switch on here first. That is basically, if you press it towards the 2, it would be for the batteries. If you press it into the 0 in the middle rocker, obviously it's off. Pressing it towards the 1, and that basically switches it on. On the left-hand side, we've basically got the color balance because we can actually change the color balance to match the scene. And then we've got the power. So obviously we can basically make it either brighter or kind of dimmer. If I just kind of turn it to the side a minute, you'll see just a kind of a basic kind of increase or decrease. So it's quite a powerful unit, no matter what. I mean, one of the negative things I would always say to do with video light is they haven't really been powerful enough, but these GVM 560s are kind of really doing their job. Just to kind of give you a little bit of what comes in the kit, as I said, I went for the 3-headed kit. Basically, in the back of the pouch here, we've got the 3 stands that are included with it. You've also got one of the heads, which I've already got out, and basically you get a box with all the kind of the power cables are in. So that kind of comes out nice and neat and everything else with it. Then in the front of the kit itself, we've got the 2 other heads. As I mentioned, they come all in these lovely, sexy protection bags. And so if we were kind of slinging it for a location kit, let me just put that out of the way for a minute. If we were slinging it even into all of my kind of existing photographic kit bags, they'll kind of the 3 heads or more will fit alongside my kind of speed light stuff and everything else that is on a kind of basic trolley stand. The kind of the little stands that they've gone for are still though a 3 extension stand, so kind of can go as low as you want or to kind of the full around about the 6-foot height and above and things really. So it's even got out of frame as you can see. All right. So basically nice and neat and everything else. They protect the top of the connector, which all stand manufacturers should do anyway, as far as the little rubber cap is concerned. And then if we just unbag one of the lights, they're all the same, okay, so no kind of big headaches to kind of getting going straight away with it. And then they've got built-in barn doors, which I really, really love, in fact, really, so they can actually come in. So nice and solid, basically ready to actually go. Let's just chuck that on the stand there. Just tighten up my stand. There we go. And then obviously I mentioned that the power cables come in it. And then just the cable out of the cable box and pretty much just plugging it into the back, as I mentioned before, straight into my power, making sure the power unit is plugged in with it, and pretty much we're ready to go straight away. So it couldn't be any simpler really, the kind of putting it together. So these are the new video lights that we're using in the Academy now, GVM 560, and available as a 3 lighted kit. I'm sure you're going to be seeing us use them quite a lot within some of the commercial photography and portrait photography as well during the kind of the course of the sessions. Thanks for joining us. See you on the next film. Bye-bye.